Hello, my name is Jason Roth. I'm an attorney with the law firm of Roth Davies. Today I want to talk to you about hiring experts to assist with a personal injury case. Certainly the type of expert depends on the type of the case and the nature and extent of the damages that are claimed. In a car wreck or a truck wreck, many times an accident reconstructionist will be hired to determine the dynamics and forces involved in the collision. Many times the police report on its own is not sufficient to determine the movement of the vehicles involved, the angles involved, speeds involved. So an accident reconstructionist is a common expert. Also, in the case where a injured party suffered lost wages or lost earning capacity, we will hire a vocational expert to assist with the wage loss calculation. In addition to the vocational expert, we will hire an economist to assist with calculating the monetary loss associated with the injuries claimed. Another expert that's fairly common is a biomechanical expert to assist with an explanation of the mechanism of injury and the dynamic of a person in a car in a wreck, showing how that person was injured. In other words, the forces involved and how the forces involved caused the particular injury. There are many experts that can assist with many aspects of a personal injury case. If you have any questions regarding your personal injury case, please feel free to call at 913-451-9500. Thank you.